Hello guys, this is Bisai. Today our topic, an important and most useful terms in chemistry, very basic terms in chemistry, correct? Now the first one, atom or element, correct? The smallest invisible elemental form in a sample of matter is called an atom. This For example, just I am taking this is a matter particle, and in this matter number of atoms are there, correct? Number of atoms are there. Okay. Now this is very small indivisible, means invisible particle, very small invisible particle, correct? So this is an atom. We know that. So we know that a human hair is roughly 500 k times bigger than an atom. Correct? So the atomic form of hydrogen, the atomic form of oxygen, the atomic form of nitrogen, fluorine, chlorine, like this. So atomic form of hydrogen is H. Correct? Now atomic form of oxygen, that is O. Atomic form of nitrogen, that is N. Atomic form of fluorine, F, chlorine, iodine, like this, etc. So these are the atomic forms of individual elements, correct? Now what is molecule and compound? Now what is molecule means the combination of two or more atoms is called molecule, or compound also, or the association of two or more atoms. The combination of two or more atoms, that is molecule or compound, correct? Now for example, the combination of two or more means either same times or three different times, two different types also can form molecule or compound, correct? So in case of molecule, the molecular formula of hydrogen, we know that the atomic form of hydrogen is normal H, but the molecular form of hydrogen is H2, correct? The molecular form of hydrogen, the molecular form of hydrogen, that is H2, correct? The molecular form of oxygen, that is O2, and the molecular form of sodium chloride, correct? That is NaCl. And water molecule, the molecular form of water, H2O, the molecular form of ammonia, that is NH3. So this is like this. But what is the difference between molecule and compound? Means the chemical substance which is having solid state at room temperature is called compound. The chemical substance having solid state at room temperature is called compound. So compound means solid state at room temperature, correct? Solid state at room temperature is called compound. For example, NaCl means that is salt, normal salt, table salt, correct? So NaCl having solid state at room temperature, the salt we are taking, the salt which is solid state at room temperature. So NaCl is a compound. NaCl is a compound. So based on this condition, we know that all compounds are molecules, but all molecules are not compounds. So all compounds are molecules. All compounds are molecules. All compounds are molecules. Correct? All compounds are molecules. Next, the last one, ion. Ion means the charge on chemical. Correct? The charge on chemical. The charge on chemical is called ion. Correct? So here chemical means either atom or molecule. Either atom or molecule. Whatever it may be, the chemical means either atom or molecule. Correct? Classification of ions. Here two types of classifications. The first one is classification based on charge. Classification based on form. These two types of ions are there. So the first classification based on classification. So the first one based on charge. Based on charge. Cation. Second one anion. Cations means positive charged species. Positive charges is either atom or molecule having positive charge, that is cation. So simple H plus, Na plus, NH4 plus, next H3O plus. Okay, so this is molecular, these two are the molecular forms of cations. Next Li plus and so on, etc. Correct? Anion. Now anion means negative charged species either in atomic form or in molecular form, which is negative charged species is called anion. అంటే ఇక్కడ anion కి నెగటివ్ చార్జ్ ఉంటుందమ్మా. నెగటివ్ చార్జ్ ఉండడం వల్ల ఏంటంటే వాటిని anions అంటారు. సో ఇప్పుడు F మైనస్, O మైనస్ 2, Cl మైనస్, Br మైనస్, SO4 మైనస్ 2, PO4 మైనస్ 3, SO3 మైనస్ 2, తర్వాత ఇంకేం చెప్పొచ్చు, N మైనస్ 3 and so on, etc. So these are considered under anions. Now the second classification, that is based on form. సో ఇక్కడ మనకి ఫస్ట్ ఫామ్ ఏంటంటే అటామిక్ ఫామ్ ఉంటుంది, మళ్ళీ మాలిక్యులర్ ఫామ్ ఉంటుంది. సో ఫస్ట్ అటామిక్ ఫామ్ అన్నమాట. అటామిక్ ఫామ్. సో ద సెకండ్ క్లాసిఫికేషన్ ఏంటంటే మాలిక్యులర్ ఫామ్. కరెక్ట్? సో అటామిక్ ఫామ్ అంటే జనరల్గా either పాజిటివ్ ఛార్జ్ అవ్వచ్చు, నెగిటివ్ ఛార్జ్ అవ్వచ్చు, బట్ ద స్పీసియస్ మస్ట్ బి ఇన్ అటామిక్ ఫామ్. కరెక్ట్? సో ఇక్కడ H ప్లస్ తీసుకోవచ్చు, Na ప్లస్ తీసుకోవచ్చు, F మైనస్ తీసుకోవచ్చు, Cl మైనస్ తీసుకోవచ్చు, O మైనస్ 2 తీసుకోవచ్చు, అండ్ సో ఆన్ ఎట్సెట్రా. ఇవన్నీ కూడా అటామిక్ ఫామ్ ఆఫ్ అయాన్స్. మరి మాలిక్యులర్ ఫామ్ ఆఫ్ అయాన్స్ అంటే either చార్జ్ అనేది పాజిటివ్ అవ్వచ్చు, నెగిటివ్ అవ్వచ్చు, బట్ ద మాలిక్యూల్ అంటే మోర్ దాన్ వన్ టైప్ ఆఫ్ atoms, together to form a molecule. Correct? సో ఇక్కడ మనం SO4 మైనస్ 2 తీసుకోవచ్చు, ఇంకా H3O ప్లస్ రాసుకోవచ్చు, తర్వాత NH4 ప్లస్ రాయొచ్చు, నెక్స్ట్ PO4 minus 3 and so on, etc. So these are the molecular form ions. Correct? So this is the ions classification. It's very, very important. Don't get confused, okay? This is very, very important and most useful terms in chemistry. Thank you. నా వీడియో కనుక నచ్చినట్లయితే సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి, లైక్ చేయండి, బెల్ ఐకాన్ పైన క్లిక్ చేయండి. థ్యాంక్ యూ.